At Mountainland Technical College in the Electrical Apprenticeship Program, we help students prepare for a career in the electrical trade, and we do so by structured instruction that helps them learn the electrical theory, code, and safety. The focus for students in the Electrical Apprenticeship Program is the code. They learn how and why we have the rules that we do in the industry, and we learn about the theory that helps teach the students the why behind the code so that they can understand the code better and why they're following the rules that they do in the field. Our program is a little bit different as far as hands-on is concerned because we are more focused on the academic. We are teaching in the code book. So our hands-on is more structured towards taking the test. So the students are prepared for the journeyman test. With equipment here, we try to teach them what they'll use in the field where we don't have access to everything that they would use, and especially the tools. Most of that is learned on the job in the field, but we do try to get them exposure to things like transformers, motor starters, motor controls, three-way, four-way switching, doorbells, and those type of items so that they can have exposure to what they will see in the field and also be able to have practice for the journeyman test. An ideal candidate would basically just be somebody who's motivated to work, who loves using their hands, who is excited to build and see things work at the end of the day. Our teachers have a real intentional way of teaching that helps the students. We try to make it more about discussion and learning than just giving them information. We try to make it not about memorizing the code, but learning how to navigate the code. As students go throughout our course, they are working in the field, so this really helps them strengthen their skills as they are practicing in the field and then learning the reasoning in the classroom. The main goal that we have for our students is to get their journeyman's license. So after completing the 4 years, they can apply and take their journeyman test. And once they get their journeyman's license, this opens up many doors for them in their career. This is the kind of the coveted license because this is where you get to accomplish a lot. You get to work for many different companies and learn. And if you want to continue on and get your master's license, you can own your own company. This is a structured path that helps you get a license, that helps you have a very steady foundation for a future in the electrical industry.